Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Facebook ads not delivering problem. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your ad account right here, and simply inside you then want to select the ads that won't deliver or has the error message. So just click on the checkbox right beside the ad campaign, click on the edit button, and from here you then want to click on your ads. Now you then want to select the middle one right here, and then you will be able to see the placement or the delivery error message on this specific column right here. Now on this specific column, you can then click on the edit placement. Unfortunately, I don't have that specific problem on my ad campaign, so I only have the campaign recommendations, which I can add the view in ad set. But if you see the delivery error, you can then click on the edit placement. Right after this window will show up. Basically what you want to do is to simply click on the crop button right here, and then you want to select the horizontal option. After choosing the horizontal option, click on the apply button, and from there this should hopefully fix the problem, or this will then go ahead and fix the problem. You basically want to do this for all of the placements on your ads, and from there you are good to go. Click on publish, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.